How to add an image on Visual Studio Code. Today I'll show you how to add an image into your project using Visual Studio Code. It's really simple. Let's get started. First, make sure you have downloaded Visual Studio Code on your device. After that, open Visual Studio Code. Now open the folder where your project is saved, and after that drag and drop your image file directly into the project folder inside VS Code, or right click the Explorer panel and choose Reveal in Finder or Reveal in File Explorer to paste your image there. Next is to reference the image. Inside your HTML file, add an image tag like this. Make sure the src matches the name and location of your image. Now finally save your file and open it in your browser to see the image displayed, and that is how you can add image on Visual Studio Code. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.